She designed 40 churches in South Africa while she was around. Incredible. Look at this. Welcome to Caledon. They put their sign quite far in front of the town, eh?
Yeah, but this already where it starts.
Yeah, it is. See, there's a bit of a wind blowing here today.
Would you say?
Yeah,
These tall trees are swaying.
big time.
Alright, so I am ready for lunch.
Yes, gonna go down and see where we can find a spot to have a nice lunch.
Breakfast was a little on the...
Skimpy side.
That's putting it mildly.
This is the town of Caledon. A little centre, shopping centre.
It's quite busy.
Yep, it does, eh? It's one of the bigger towns in the area.
Oh, we'll come and look at those later.
Definitely. The municipality's building.
Gorgeous.
Beautiful, eh? Oh, we can see what we can find in the side street. Is this not the main road?
This is the main road.
Okay.
And this is the Theevoltisch Kloof municipality.
Okay.
Oh, that was interesting. Yeah, this looks very interesting. And there's parking in front.
Yeah, look at this. Wow, this is where they make those steel things.
That's cool.
The home shed. Check these roosters.
Yeah.
And the blue cranes.
Look there, look at the horses.
Amazing. Wow. Check these horses. Amazing. Life-size horse. Incredible. This is fantastic. Love this.
So did the gentleman point you to a place where we can have lunch?
Yes, he did. He did. I think it's called Gabiano. He says we go up this road to the first stop and we turn right and we'll find it there.
Good. Make haste.
Definitely. Tum empty.
Is this the main road again?
No.
No, is this the side road?
No, this is the side road. He said, yeah, here's Gabiano.
All right.
So we've stopped at Gabiano. See what they have for lunch. The inside of Gabiano. Upstairs there. Really nice big windows, letting a lot of light. Here we go. I've got my appetizer. I've fallen in love with appetizer all
Again?
over again, yes. And Sonia's got a cola tonic and lemonade with 3 slices of lemon and a load of ice.
My ultimate favorite.
For many moons now.
Yes.
Check out lekker food. Alfredo with penne
Yes.
and steak, egg and chips. Yo, looking forward to that.
Delicious.
That was
Tum-tum is
lunch.
full.
We've had it, hey?
Yep.
Now,
Yes.
there's an interesting thing we're going to go and see.
Okay, I can't wait.
I'm not going to say anything until we get there.
All right.
Otherwise,
You spoiled the
I
fun.
spoil the fun, yeah. Look at this church.
Wow.
I just got out here now at the Holy Trinity Church. It was consecrated in 1855. But the interesting fact about this church is that Sophia Gray, also known as Sophie Gray, was the architect, and her husband was Bishop Gray from England, and in South Africa, came to South Africa. And what's interesting about this is that she was the first female architect in South Africa and one of the first female architects in the world. She designed 40 churches in South Africa while she was around. Incredible, look at this. Amazing. What's interesting, one can see that the front part here, and this is the original. This was the grass roof, and the grass roof, the thatched roof, and that was added on later. You can see that was added on later. If you look over there, those are glass stained windows. Can't really see them because they've put grills in front of them to protect the glass, I suppose, because it's so old. But this side they haven't put any grill in front of it, but it's also the stained glass with a lead in between. Now I don't know when they did this extension, what year the extension was done, but I must say they did it well to match the other. But it's a national heritage site now too, so any changes on this is gonna have to jump through hoops, eh? We're just driving past here and we saw this. Wowzer. This must be something. I think I saw something like this at the Darling Museum. Where they used to bag the grain that came off of the field and stuff like that. Wow, look at the steam engine. I'm sure these two work together. There's a big belt that goes around this thing and then goes around those wheels over there, and then they bag the grain and whatever they do. Incredible. Very interesting. Yep, Caledon Wildflower Garden. I used to know it as the Botanical Gardens.
Same thing, I think.
Check, this restaurant is closed.
Yeah, probably another COVID casualty.
Hey, the gate's open.
Good stuff.
No swimming. Look at this. Wow. Just watch your step here, eh?
Yeah, I will.
Pretty, eh?
Yeah.
This is really pretty. You want to take a walk down there?
I'll hang back.
Okay.
You go for it.
I'm going to take a walk to that place over there. Look, there's another one up top there.
Very cute.
Very pretty, eh? I'll see you now.
Yep.
Okie doke. Wow, this is pretty. You can come and sit here, relax, have a look at those stunning mountains. Look at this beautiful view from the top here. Really nice.
Interesting is that I found 4 names for this place, like the Botanical Gardens, Caledon Botanical Gardens, Caledon Nature Garden. Then it's also known as Vensterkloof.
Oh, because of that
Nature
window
Garden.
there.
Yes,
Oh, okay.
the rocks that form the window.
Yes.
And then also Victoria Wildflower Garden. It all seems to be here.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Interesting.
Beautiful place though, hey?
Stunning, stunning, stunning. I think this is our place.
Here on the corner?
Yes.
Well, there's one way to find out. I'm going to call the gate.
Yes. Let's see.
Eita.
Look at that. This is us.